Welcome back to our Excel Beginner series. In this lesson, we will learn about AutoFill and Flash Fill. AutoFill allows you to quickly fill a series of numbers, dates, or text. Let us see some examples. Type the number 1 in a cell. Then type 2 in the next cell below it. Select both cells. Then drag the fill handle down to automatically continue the series. You can also use AutoFill for days of the week or months of the year. Type the Monday in a cell. Then type Tuesday in the next cell below it. Select both cells. Then drag the fill handle down to automatically complete the week. Similarly, type the January in a cell. Then type February in the next cell below it. Select both cells. Then drag the fill handle down to automatically complete the months. Flash Fill is another smart feature in Excel. It recognizes patterns in your data and automatically fills in the rest. For example, we have a column with full names, and you want to separate them in first name and second name. Do the first entry yourself. To fill the other cells, click in the first name cell and press Ctrl E. Similarly, click in the second name cell and, instead of using keyboard shortcut, go to the Data tab and click Flash Fill. These features save time and reduce errors when entering data. In the next lesson, we will move on to formatting cells and text.